star on Twitter of the day had to be the daughter of Jordan Leopold, who had written this note, and this got a lot of play on Twitter, and rightfully so. His daughter Jordan had written this note, and you see, he says, "My name is Jordan Leopold. My dad is Jordan, the Columbus Blue Jackets," and she basically talked about how she misses her dad. She's back home, and Jordan's been playing for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and how she always wanted him to play for the Minnesota Wild, to return home. She got her wish today.
She did get her wish, and it's funny because she sent that letter out in January when things weren't going so well for the Minnesota Wild, and then they make this deal now at the trade deadline. They bring her dad back to Minnesota, and Jordan was a terrific player at the University of Minnesota, so it's good to see it happen. What a story, what a letter. I mean, you can only imagine having your child write a letter like that in your behalf and just saying how much they miss you. As a parent, it kind of warms my heart, for sure.
Well, these are the things we forget about. Professional athletes, you know, they still have families. You know, you move and getting traded, it's not easy, is it? Mike, I've been traded, you've been traded. It's not easy. So you move your family, but it's the life you lead, and, you know, I'm glad it worked out for Jordan Leopold.
Yes, that was a wonderful note there. You probably saw it on Twitter, but glad we were able to share it with you here on NHL.com.